One of the big issues that our communities are facing is the mental health issue, which is considered within our society as some sort of a taboo that we don't talk about. So many of those people who suffer from mental health decide to not to go and seek professional help.
The issue we're having is that people are not able to talk about this within their households, and mental illness is festering.
When I first got involved in mental health and I told my parents I want to do mental health, the first reaction everybody said to me was, you want to end up becoming crazy. The way we look at mental health in our community, it's ignorance. And we need to understand that it's not contagious. Everyone knows somebody who suffers from mental health. And it's something that we need to start talking about. Definitely a topic that is taboo. It's really not discussed. So I think it's about time that, we remove the stigma and talk about it as much as we can, because people are suffering from mental health in our community, whether we acknowledge it or not.
It's almost seen as if you're Muslim, then it means that mental health should be addressed in that realm, and that you should go to an imam or somebody in that realm. And actually going to a psychologist like myself or a psychotherapist is going against that. So there is that myth there.
So there are links between mental health and extremism, for instance. So I think it's very important that the parents, if they do find that their child is acting differently or they're not the same anymore, stay cautious and be aware.
People do turn to religion, and spirituality plays a big part in someone's recovery as well, and you have to acknowledge that and not just automatically assume they turn into Islam, they're going to start becoming extreme, they're going to do this, but actually it's going to help them, and it could help in their recovery.
Mental health affects us all. It's not something that just a minority group of people experience. It can happen to anyone. So it's really important that we educate each other about it, share experiences. Hopefully it's normalised mental health, and it's made it easier to talk about it. And it's also made it's a place where we can all connect, because I might be a psychotherapist, but I've met some amazing people here today who are from different backgrounds, professionally and also ethnically as well. So I'm really happy that I've come today.